You say yes to clients who drain you because you're afraid that you're going to be too much, or worse, they'll leave you. You feel like you need to help everybody because if you don't help, who will? And you're stuck between growing your business and not knowing if you can handle it all. And whenever you try to ask for help, it feels like you're pulling your teeth and it's so unnatural. And you have these thoughts of saying, oh my God, I think I'm too much. Because you're someone who has always held it together. You've always managed everything. You've always figured things. This has made you very successful. But what if this very thing that has made you successful so far is the actual thing that's currently holding you back from scaling? Reason why you can't hold more clients, more income, more opportunity, and more ease isn't because you're unmotivated or you're missing something or you're not very committed. It's because your nervous system is maxed the fuck out from overgiving, people pleasing, and being everything to everyone for decades. You say you want boundaries, but your sessions go until 9 p.m., even though you said you'd be done by 8. You're, you want balance, but your nervous system only knows how to go to 100% or crash out all the way to 0, and you need weeks to recover. You want to be known for something, but every time someone tries to ask you for something different, the one that you don't really want to do, you still say yes and then immediately regret it afterwards. And it's not because you don't know how to run your business. You've been running it. You've made sales. You've done well. It's because your nervous system cannot hold what you're trying to create. That's why going to the extremes hasn't worked. It's not about more discipline. It's not about meditating for hours, because when you've done this, it almost made things worse. What you need is to rebuild your system so you can actually hold more of what you want and what you're calling, what you're asking for. The moment you stop saying yes to everything, that's when everything changes. Because saying yes is the fastest way to lose more clients, more money, more income, and the reputation that you actually want. And no, this is not just about feeling better or relaxing or calming yourself down. It's about building a nervous system that can hold and sustain success in the long term. Because right now, you are currently robbing your clients out of the transformation and results they came to you for because you're maxed the fuck out. Every time you try to take on a draining client, you lose the energy and presence for the clients who actually value your work. Every time you say yes when you really mean to say no, your nervous system collapses more. Every time you choose to override your limits, you're sacrificing the long-term growth of your business. So no, this is not about stress management. This is more than that. This is about creating a nervous system that has the capacity to hold more clients, more income, and the bigger reputation that you absolutely deserve without breaking down. So imagine holding strong boundaries while still being that sought out practitioner you've always wanted to become. Imagine having steady energy levels, honoring your limits, and growing your business without the fear of burning out. And imagine confidently saying no to energy drainers and attracting the clients who actually respect your boundaries and are happy to pay for whatever you put out. When you expand your nervous system's capacity, you will effortlessly hold more of the right clients in your business. The right clients who pay on time, honor your boundaries, and rave about the work that you do. And your capacity to hold even bigger transformations for your clients amplify because you no longer leak energy on things that do not light you the fuck up. This is exactly what we'll do inside Rich and Regulated. 5 days, five core modules, five fast, high impact, no bullshit techniques to help you upgrade and expand your nervous system. Let's blow the motherfucking roof of what you can currently handle. Register in the comments below.